So welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be to show you the best strategy about learning and a lot of gain work from AI tool and like ChatGPT. The ChatGPT is the the was most AI tools we can the all you service you gain from this website. So in this video I think we go on to the screen, and I'll be there explain about the ChatGPT performance, and also tell about you how can you the much money making from the AI tools. Okay, so so let's all go on to the screen, and this is the Google, and this is the ChatGPT the account, and this is the ChatGPT, and this is the try ChatGPT. This is the also ChatGPT. There provide their free also free service, and you upgrade the plus services. Okay, so I tell I will question what can I earn from online what kind of online earnings. So this if I click there, and there's the various ways of earning online depend on your skills and trust and amount of time the effort you are waiting, and there's a lot of all the skills which can I also explain about the freelancing. This is the freelancing, online tutoring and teaching, affiliate marketing, online surveys and tasks, content creations, e-commerce, and stock trading, investing. So AI tool also tell me about the what can the way which way I can earn from online uh, online all the through the website, online through website. Also share my experience on the internet, through internet, and make a student on the Facebook, YouTube, and any other social media platform, and I charge the different in case of fees, and I provide their service. In this service there's a lot of skills like graphic designing, trading, and visual assistant skills, and many more you can find out on the Google, and you can also a very gain information about the this online skills. So if you see this the end on the end line, this is also the member success is the any online adventure typical requires hard work and persistence and continuous learning. It is essential to choose an opportunity and the like in the video skills and just to maximize your chances of success. And then this also the AI tool tell us we are choose any skills, we can focus and hard work on this skill continuously, and 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, after the a specific period of time we can gain a lot of information and skills, and we can provide the service to the customers. If the customers are review about our skills is much better, up to 4 stars according to apps, so we can create a opportunity to success in our field. So this is the end of our video. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to press bell icon notify about my new videos. See you on my next video. Bye.